Hi, I'm Jeff from Sussex Installations. In today's video we got a Citroen Relay, same as the Peugeot Boxer, Fiat Ducato with a barn door attack. So we was going to fit one of the pro plates around to cover up the damage, but customers arrived, looked at this damage, and that plate that we was going to fit just ain't gonna cover that up. We got some material on the laser from yesterday, so I'm just clearing this off so that we can concentrate on getting some material on the bed for developing a solution for this vehicle. Stay tuned, let's see what we can come up with. So finish off doing what we're doing with the full custom material, and I'm going to switch to development mode and see what we can do if we can get something together for this Citroen Relay to cover up this damage and get this van back on the road today for the customer. Okay, been working hard in my office there. Got the first design ready to go ready to be cut out. Anyway, and check it out. We've been, I've had the development door. I did have a development door for this Citroen Relay, Fiat Ducato, Peugeot Boxer type of van. It was there in, I had it there in storage. I just didn't have time yet to actually get on and start to take a look at it to do a development on it. Danny, in the meantime, has been here. He's just in the middle of cutting out to fix deadlocks to this van. So the customer is having deadlocks fitted to all the doors, deadlock to the side door, which will be a deadlock time it's finished being fitted. Deadlocks all round, which is in progress, and we are developing a shield for him.
I'm using the wrong can of work, so I have to hold it just like that.
You're like one of them ghetto gangsters where they hold the gun upside down, Daddy, is that right? Right, so not looking too bad for a first go. I can see a couple of small errors there, but it's not far off. Except for the bottom. That needs more bending on the bottom. How's that, Danny? Can you get it in?
Yeah.
Even with that bit of glass blocking material on there. Cool, it's looking good, looking promising, hey? Oh, look at that! Oh, it's going to look nice. Okay, we finished. Production model done and fitted. So designed, developed and fitted. We managed to do this during the day for the customer, just because this is a current model van still, and we did mean to do this job at some point. I had a door here already, which was my development door, which has just been sat around for the last year, and I just didn't get around to it because there's just so many things to do, really, so many different attacks and break-ins that are going on. But because this customer did have a hole that we wasn't able to cover with the shield we had intended to fit, I did manage on this occasion to do a development in a day. So that's a nice brushed stainless steel finish. If you're watching this video now, then there's a good chance that this is available to purchase on our website, and we probably will also do this in matte black in the time to come. While the customer was here, we also fitted deadlocks our T-Series hook deadlocks to all the doors on his van. So if you have the extra lock on the door, then it's just an extra layer of security. So if someone gets past your factory locking, the door will open, but just like a millimetre or so, a couple of millimetres, a little bit, and then a deadlock will stop it. We've managed to fit the hook style locks where the hook just comes and it hooks into the bracket, which we fitted on the post there. The driver's door had been attacked on this one also, and we have fitted our Pro plate over the damage that covered it up because the damage was small, it was close to the handle. The barn doors with our hook lock, and that hooks into the bracket which we fitted onto the other door there. Similar thing on the side load door, our hook deadlock on the side load door, the lock goes on the trailing edge of the side load door. And again, if the lock's on and someone gets past the factory security, the door opens, but just a little bit, just a tiny bit, and then the deadlock stops the door from continuing to open. And again, showing that one as our hook style deadlock. So that's it. If you've got damage on your van, if you've got a need for a repair shield, or you're looking for security locks or security in general, get in touch via the website. It's www.sussexinstallations.co.uk. Thanks for watching.